Hello, my name is Manoj Bhateja, and today we are going to learn the sentence formation in nominative and accusative cases. In my previous video, we have discussed the nominative sentences and accusative sentences. What are nominative and accusative sentences? In this video, we are going to learn the sentence formation in these two cases. How do we formate the sentences? Now, first talk about nominative sentences, and we are discussing the simple sentences, how to construct the simple sentences. First, we have the subject, then the verb, then information if we have any. For example, ich heiße Peter, ich komme aus Deutschland, ich wohne in Augsburg, ich bin 24 Jahre alt, mein Vater heißt Jörg, ist Arzt von Beruf. So here we see the first place we have subject, then immediate we have the verb, and the next is the information. Let us now see how do we construct negative sentences. It's again very easy to understand. First the subject, then we have the verb, then the negation part, nicht or kein, plus the information if we have any. Ich bin nicht Peter. Ich komme nicht aus Deutschland. Ich wohne nicht in Augsburg. Ich bin nicht 24 Jahre alt. Mein Vater heißt nicht Jörg. So these are few examples of negative sentences in nominative case. Ist nicht Arzt von Beruf. Let us now learn how do we construct interrogative sentences. There are two types. When the question starts with W-Frage, such as was, wie, woher, wo, wann, where, welche, and so on. And when the question starts with the verb. The first case we are discussing here, when the question starts with W-Frage, first place is booked for the W-Frage, then comes the verb, then comes the subject, then comes the information if we have any. For example, wie heißt du? Woher kommst du? Wie heißt dein Vater? Wann kommst du? Was bist du von Beruf? So here we see the first place is for the W-Frage, then the verb, then the subject. Second case, when the question starts with the verb. First place is the verb, second place is the subject, third place is the information, then the question mark. For example, heißt du Stefan? Kommst du aus Amerika? Wohnst du in Augsburg? Bist du Arzt von Beruf? Heißt deine Mutter Clara? So these are the questions when question starts with the verb. First place the verb, then the subject, then the information. Let us now learn the sentence formation in accusative cases. Simple sentences, very easy to understand. Subject, verb, and the direct object. In previous version we have discussed what are accusative cases. So here we are going to construct sentences. Ich habe einen Bruder. Ich lerne Deutsch. Ich trinke Cola. Ich mache meine Hausaufgabe. Mein Vater fährt Auto. So here we see the first place is the subject, then the verb, then the direct object. Now learn the negative sentences. Similar to nominative cases, subject, verb, the negation, then the object. Ich habe keinen Bruder. Ich höre keine Musik. Ich kaufe keine Hose. Ich mache heute keine Hausaufgabe. Ich habe heute keine Arbeit. Now, interrogative sentences. We again have two types. Question starts with W-Frage. Question starts with the verb. The first case, when the question starts with the W-Frage. W-Frage plus the verb and the subject and the information if we have any, and the question mark. Was lernst du heute? Here we are inquiring about something. What do we have? What are you learning? What are you doing? So first place is the W-Frage, that is was. Then the verb, lernen is the verb which is conjugated as the subject, which is du. Lernst du heute? Was für Hemd kaufst du? Wie viele Geschwister hast du? Was guckst du? Was trinkst du? These are the questions when the question starts with W for rather. Now move to second place. Second situation when the question starts with the verb. First place the verb. Second place is the subject. Next the direct object and the question mark. Example, hast du Geschwister? Hast is the verb which is conjugated as per the subject to. Geschwister is the direct object. Lernst du Deutsch? Trinkst du Cola? Siehst du jetzt Fan? Schreibst du jetzt einen Brief? So these are the sentence formation of nominative and accusative case sentences. This is how we construct sentences. Vielen Dank. I thank you again for your attention. Please visit my webpage www.ricelanguage.webs.com and log on to YouTube/Manoj Bhateja for more videos. And please provide your feedback and suggestions at manoj.bhateja@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.